Greetings. Today I'm going to provide you with a brief introduction to the Sumitomo configurator. Our product configurator is a tool that helps streamline the selection process, enabling you to build a power transmission product for your specific application. Through the configurator, you can get access to CAD files, technical specification sheets, drawings, quotations, and much more. So how do you access? A link to the configurator can be found on our company webpage, sumitomodrive.com. Or you can access it directly by entering concept.suminet.com into your web browser. When accessing the configurator, it is highly recommended that you are using an up-to-date web browser such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox Mozilla. This is the login page for the Sumitomo configurator. If you don't yet have a login, you can create one by clicking the Create New Account button. If you've forgotten your credentials, please use the Forgot Password link to have an automated email sent to the email address you register for password reset. Now we've arrived at the configurator homepage. Let's talk about the interface and the different options available to us. In the center of your screen, you will see the latest news or information sent out by the configurator team. The My Projects view allows you to quickly navigate to projects you have defined in the past. Projects can be used to group configurations, quotes, and orders to keep track of related items. A project name can be defined when modifying the configuration, quote, and order at time of creation. The search tool can be used to quickly find configurations, quotes, and orders based on name, serial number, project, or customer name. You are only able to search for items that are assigned to you. On the upper right-hand side of your screen, you'll find the user menu. This menu is accessible from every page on the configurator and allows you to quickly navigate to recently viewed items, edit your profile, submit customer feedback, and change your locale if necessary. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find quick links to navigate the configurator interface. The options presented here will differ depending on your level of access. If you are missing a particular option and think it should be made available, feel free to reach out to your local sales rep for assistance. Let's talk briefly about product selection. Here, you will see a list of new and existing configurations that you have worked with in the past. You can search, edit, and view all configurations that you have permission to access. Above the list are options allowing you to filter when working with a particularly large subset of results. The Quotes tab works similarly to product selection, but will instead show you a list of quotations you have worked with in the past. The plus icon will place you on the path to creating a brand new configuration, quote, or project. In our next video, we'll talk a little bit about how to create your very own configuration.